So yun mga kabalen, welcome sa aking channel na Mr. Kabalen Hoops TV. At ngayon sa video na to, babalikan natin yung Game 2 Finals between ECP Pulong Bulu laban naman sa Team Malabanya. So yung Team Pulong Bulu, yan na yung samahan nila Mendoza, sila Jowa, MJ Garcia, at ang pinaka-head coach na lang si Coach Baldo Peña, at ang the rest of Team ECP laban naman sa star-studded na lineup ng Team Malabanyas, kasama sila Floyd Brinques, Ferreras at si Papic Oderente. So panoorin yung video na to at muling balikan ang sigawan, hiyawan ng Game 2 Finals between ECP versus Team Malabanyas. Organizer. Konting antay na lang. Konting pag-aantay na lang. Baka na. Okay, start na tayo. Game time.
This is a fight between the two more teams. Herreras, Johnson, Dagger, Brinkus, and Malari. From the other side, Garcia, Mahoney, and Zashan, Pineda, and Salan Sam.
So ano to? Labanan ng pride. Game 2.
Okay. Champ ball between De La Cruz and Zashan. One shot high. Herreras, pass to Johnson. Johnson is in two.
Johnson.
Johnson. Pass to Garcia. Garcia, rebound by Zashan. We just foul. Basket count. Foul for you, number 0. Herreras.
First quarter, all 2. Shoutout sa kumpare ko si Kelly Cano. Kumpare ko yan, taga San Nicolas.
And Sean, ball shot, no. What they found by Herreras, all 2 po tayo. First quarter. Dribble by Jackson. Pass to Tago. Stop. Pump. Fake. What a shot. Oh. Tinira. Oh. He got stopped. Tinira. No. What they found by Salazar. Nakuha ni Mr. Last touch by the Reds. Number 3. Woo. Salazar pass to Garcia. Garcia. Set in the play. Pass to Salazar. Corner shot. Pineda. Mahoney, pull up three, Joe. One rebound by Johnson, nagmadali. Johnson, push the ball. Johnson, push the move. Whoa! Number 20, Pineda shot, got it. Good shot by number 20. Habang ni Sir Pineda. Nawala ang bola. It's a red ball. For 2.
4-2, first quarter, 8 minutes.
Number 4, Johnson. Johnson. He gets a look. One bounce pass to Herreras. His side move muli. What a rebound by Mr. Garcia.
Shout out, Ramil Gaviola.
Garcia coast to coast. Pass here. Oops. Not basket na po tayo. May foul na po tayo. Foul for you, number 3. Sa ulo po yan, tumama.
Shoutout kay Ramil Gaviola, galing kay paring Tonton Kanlapan.
Second team foul. For the Barangay Malabanyas. First foul for number 3 and first foul for number 0. MJ from deep. No! One rebound by now, number 3. Pass to Johnson, number 4. Johnson, send it to the pass. Kasunod lang. Nawagan Mr. Herreras. Again. Herreras, pass. Again. He gets foul. Basket count. may kasama bang foul? Foul for you. Number 19, basket count po tayo. Last shot by Ferreras. Bonus shot, Danny. 7-2. Two from all five. Salazar. What a pass to Anunciacion, please. Tinira. Above, no. He gets blocked, but he gets foul.
7-2 in favor
Foul
of
for you,
Team
number
Malabañas.
1, Ringes. First foul for you, number 1.
Shoutout kay Dean Serrano.
Two shot by Anunciacion. Yes. He missed the first one. Got it. Habang Mr. Johnson, nilabas mo ang bola. Nagpadali. Johnson, penetrate. Para pass to Ringes sama Pineda, black number, Pineda, no. Quatro number, Pineda, pinasa kay Mr. Salazar, lumipad, ito. Johnson, 7-4, 7-5. Pasu, Ringes, sige sa pick. Ringes, favorite moves, Pineda, no. Quatro number, Mamune. Pass to Mr. Pineda, nagmadali. Pineda, pinasa kay Mr. Salazar, stop. Face. Pinasa kay Mr. Mamune. Pass to Salazar for 3 points.
Salansan,
Tayo po oras kay Agent Zero. Change paper po tayo. Ringes, pass to. Castro, tahan ni Miguel. Ayan na po. Apa!
MJ! MJ Garcia dyan!
MJ
Well done.
Garcia. Time out. Awan mo, sir. Oy, para maasoy. Barangay. Barangay.
What a game! What a jam!
What a dunk by Mr. MJ Garcia.
Nakita nyo ba yung dunk?
Tingnan natin sa replay. 1, 2, 3. Oh!
Nakita nyo ba yung dunk, bowlers?
Kaya ano?
Score natin 7-2. 7-12 actually. Rather. Lamang ECP. 7 minutes first quarter.
Oh, Boss Delta. May masubo na ka na naman kaya. At yung mista. Nago, number 45. Bang, number 45. Chan Nago, pass to. Nago, number 3. Pass to. Number 4, Johnson, nagmadali. Pass to. De La Cruz. Pass to. Nago, Beverly shot. Go. 4 rebound by Mamune. Mamune, pass to Salazar. Salazar nagmadali. Starting the play. Salazar, pass to. Oops. Overstep. Traveling tayo. What a call by referee Jojo Dongka.
MJ Garcia.
Jojo Bala.
Di pa ako nakapag-move on sa dunk ni Garcia.
Pass to Johnson. Setting the play by Johnson. Wala yung bandilare nila. Johnson. Spin move. Penetrate. Para pass to Nago. Space. Nago. Pepper shot. Malyari. Pull up J. Pepper shot niyan. What's your rebound by Anunciacion nagmadali. Anunciacion. Penetrate. Tinira. What a rebound by Garcia. Pepper shot. By MJ Garcia. The Mr. Excitement.
What excitement.
Johnson. Penetrate tayo na. Against back. Yung bola. Pakisuyok mo yung bola. Salamat. Yung bola.
Again.
Yan.
Intense.
Inhaling the play. 5. Number 3. Nago.
Shoutout sa kumparat idol kong si Alan Gueco. Nanonood ngayon.
Number 45, bang-bang ng 45. Pineda.
Hey!
May kasama ng foul!
May kasama bang foul?
By number 45. Kinatawag ng barangay yan, si John Naku.
John Naku.
Number 45, bang-bang. Kalibre.
Kalibre 44, 45.
Foul for you. Number 4, Johnson. Waiting for penalty. First team foul for you. First pa lang. Oh, rap. Yung ano, alam mo naman, dito tayo. Yan.
Paki-share na lang yung live natin para mapanood ng ibang tao. Lalo yung mga kabalan natin. Paki-share na lang po yung live natin, please. Para masaksiyan nila yung classic na laro na to. Score natin 11-14 in favor of
Ano sa shot?
ECP.
Got it. Ashan, 12-2. That's you. Number 3, Nago. Nago, take the ball. He gets a pick. One pass to number 3. One pass to Pereras. Nandun dali. Tinira, What rebound by Pereras. Nakuha po ni Mr. Oh, tira. Wala pa rin. What a shot by number 20. What a reverse move by number 20. Paso Pineda nagpadala. Reverse.
First quarter.
Pineda.
First quarter, 5 minutes.
Pineda. He gets the challenge by number Johnson. Give the ball for 3 by Johnson. No. But rebound by Mahone. Pasu. Pinasabay sa lansang. Pineda, setting the play. Pineda, he gets a pick again. Bounce pass to Mahone. Mataganda naman po. Pick and roll by the UCB. 2013. What the first quarter by the UCB. There we go by number 45. Setting the play. Back para for 3. No, what rebound by? Whoops. Ang lakas naman na.
4 minutes, 32 seconds. 13-20 yung score natin.
Upo muna, sir. Pass you. Uy, out of bounds. Substitution up. Sabrak. 0 out. 0. Nago. There's the ball by Johnson to Brinkas. Pass to Nago fakes. What a fake by Nago. Pull up Jay. Sumobra. Same ball tayo, sabi ni referee. Impounding the play. Oops. Out of bounds.
Same ball.
13 seconds.
4 minutes first quarter. 4 minutes, 14 seconds first quarter.
What a pass to bang for three. No. What a rebound by Sean. Pineda, setting the play. Pass to Salazar. Pass to Garcia, fake, penetrate, pinira! Pinalima! Excitement talaga si Garcia. Johnson, bigyan sa fake, Penoy, what a pass, nakuha lang, pinasa mo Pineda nagmadali, Pineda nasunod, nakuha pa rin Garcia, nakuha si Black Mamba, here's a layup by Black Mamba. Garcia, what a pass to Ano sa shot, every shot is good. Ang bilis ng recover ng Ayun na po si Malyari. Dumating na. Johnson. Yung ball by Johnson. Johnson, pass to. Point three. By Mike Barakael. Chan Lahu. Point five. Shooter po talaga yan. Ako ni Mr. Pineda. Pineda nagmadali. Pineda. Pulat kay Gary. This is two. By Pineda. Yung ball by Vingas. Vingas. Penalty. Vingas. Pasta. Naku point three. Subok. Unolay. Water rebound by Mr. Garcia. Yan naman si Garcia. 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 Apa pinamay na naman. He gets foul. Foul for you. Number
18-26.
3. Sasabihin din namin sir. Second personal foul. Substitution. De La Cruz out. Malyari in.
18-26 in favor of ECP.
Mamune out.
Lamang po yung ECP. 18-26, lamang po ang ECP. 2:45 sa ating first quarter.
Odirende.
Crowd favorite.
3 out. Salansang out.
Odirende.
Number 25 in. Penalty. Malabanyas for the first quarter.
Joey, tignan mo yun, oh. Ayun na kayo. Tignan mo.
Kutod po, kutod. Kutod Angeles City yung location ng game. Eric,
Water rebound by. Oops, punta. Garcia. Parang pinutos lang yung free throw niya.
18-28, lamang pa rin yung Sab.
No. No. Santo de Sharat, Sabret. Foul for you, number 8. De La Cruz. First foul for you, De La Cruz.
18-28 in favor of ECP.
Okay.
2 minutes 27 seconds. First quarter.
Adurante, shooting for 2. Got it.
Crowd favorite yan si Odorente. Crowd favorite.
Adurante. No. It's a easy ball. 1928. What a first quarter by the ECB.
Shout out kay Kagawad or kay Boss Jerome Takiro Thompson. Happy viewing, sir.
Pass to Mercado. Mercado pula. Jay, wala. Gamuyan. Pasang gamuyan. Johnson. Johnson penetrate. Hey, nakawala. Nasunod. Pinasayaw kaya na ba siya?
MJ! Jam ulit! Isang jam ulit galing kay MJ Garcia.
Ay, nako. Iba ka. Pinasa. For three. Gagawin! Big players have a big shot. Ganyan talaga mga player na tumitira na mga big shot. Pass you sa banda. Pass you. Pinita, black. Para pass you. Mercado. Natira na naman. Nawala mo ni Mr. Nahu. Nasunod. Nakuha ba Mr. Mercado. Pass to sa banda. Pinasa kay MJ. Garcia fakes. Point down. Patari ba may Pineda? Pineda teardrop. It's good! Pineda na naman. Meron na ba kayo namin? Wingas. Igas sa big. Wingas. For three. Hey, what rebound by Mr. Pineda. Nagkakamabasahan. One pass to. Samantha fake. Samantha tinira. Oh! Igas block. Pineda na naman Pineda. Pineda teardrop na naman. Umiilaw na si Pineda. Pwede nang gamitan ng katwarat. Ay, coach. For three, no! Time out. Hige. Higing niya time out.
22-34 in favor of ECP. 46 seconds. (22-34). 46 seconds, first quarter. Lamang yung ECP. ECP yung lamang. Solid yung dunk ni MJ. Dalawang dunk na po si Garcia sa larong to.
Ay, nako, nakaka-hyper. Wala, first quarter pa lang po yan.
First quarter pa lang, pero highlights na.
Okay. Bali the play, time. Torres, pass to Peña, pass to Torres. Torres, pass to Joyce with the ball. Torres, pass it. What a defensive stop. What a defense by
Shout out Rami Gallardo.
Bali the play, pass to Garcia de la Cruz. Pass to Samantha number 3. Oh, what we found by Fernandez. Pass to Jackson ng madali. Jackson para mas-mas. Nasulit. Abang bola Mr. Mercado. Pinasa kay Mr. Torres. Torres Isagi. Pinlay by Torres. What a kick up on the Peña for 3. Oh, put back. Oh, what a put back by Mr.
Okay.
Juan.
Ay, lalaki na.
Here's the ball by Johnson. Johnson, bigyan sa ping from Patrick. Relax lang, sabi ni Johnson, mahaba pa tayo. Last shot tayo. Johnson, penetrate. Pass to number 45. Tinira, oops, he gets found. Foul tayo dyan. Foul for you, number 25.
Patapos na yung first quarter natin, pero ang dami na nangyari.
First foul for you,
Ang dami ng highlights.
1.1 seconds.
Solid.
Just wait for the buzzer. 1 seconds mo tayo. 1.1. po yan. 1 second time remaining. 1.1. High in the sky. Pass to Barangay Pereira.
That's the end of our first quarter.
22-36. What a game. What a first quarter by the ECB. 22-36.
Sobrang intense ng game. Dahil yan kay Kapitan. Mula sikap, walang ganyang laro dito. Ay mga, ano natin. Kami natin viewers ngayon. Ayan, no?
Hello, mga nanonood dyan. Maraming salamat sa mga kabarangay natin dyan at sa mga nanonood sa iba't ibang barangay.
Solid. Score natin, 22-36. Ano? 22-36 in favor of ECP.
Invitational yan naman.
Okay.
January 25.
January 25.
Malaki na yun naman.
Oo nga. Ito yung score, pakita mo. Ayan. 22-36 in favor of ECP.
Okay. What a huddle by Jackson. Kinausap niya.
First quarter pa lang.
Ang
Ang dami ng highlights. Solid. Shoutout sa Puri Boys.
That's the IQ of the basketball.
Galing kay Kim J. Ginto.
Okay, back to the wrong team. Second quarter. The score, 22-36. It's a 14-point lead. Pineda. Good roll. Pass to Salansang.
Shoutout Kagawad Perry Nulod.
Salansang. Ika sa big. Two. Wala pass. Uy! Pineda. Hindi lang pumasok. Ang po ni Mr. Johnson. Johnson pass to Bringas. Bringas ang kapinalo yan. Tumira yan. Uy! May namas talaga si Bringas. Wala bounce pass to. Sabata na wala ang konti ng bola. Pinira. Foul for you. Foul for you, number 45. Tumama daw. First foul pa lang sa'yo, number 45. First foul.
Oh, salamat sa mga nanonood ngayon. Yun, i-share nyo lang ng i-share para makinig na rin yung page.
Garcia, Verdi, Jesus Will.
Sinasaniba si Garcia. Solid. Nakaritim siya. Nakagana. Ganado si
Johnson.
Garcia.
Passing number 45. There's ball. Number 45. Crossover move. Nawala na konti bola. Pinasa mo kay Bringas. Bringas. Pepper shot. One pass.
Oh.
Save ball.
Lamang po yung
8 seconds na lang po. 8
ECP.
seconds to shoot. For the...
Game 1. Nanalo sila ng Game 1.
for the
So,
team
game 2 to.
Number 45. Yung punting the play.
Sobrang dami nang nanonood.
Ipaling the play. Number 45. Pinasa kayo number Bringas na walang konti ng bola. Pass to Malyari. Malyari nakawala. Tinira ni Malyari. Gets foul. Oops. Offensive foul. 4. Tinamaan. Malyari, number 14.
Shout out SNB San Nicolas Boys.
First foul for you, number 14. First ka pa lang. First foul pa lang. Ako ang bola ni Mr. Pineda. Sa the play. Nakuha ko ba de? What a defense! What a defense!
Ganun ka-intention laro. Solid.
Yan ang mga defense ang ano. Money to play by Johnson. You're the ball. Pass you, bring your space. Wala mo by bring your siya na kaya. Easy to. Sa wakas. Nakadali.
Floyd Brinques.
Easy to by Brinques. Pineda. Wala pass to Salazar. Aba Melaway, Villara. Johnson run, MJ run, no! What a rebound by Oderente. Relax lang, sabi ni Mr. Bringas. Yung ito mo, by Bringas. Bringas, penetrate. Kung sabi mo, pinasa na ko ng Mr. Zapata, pinasa ko Mr. Pineda. Malacruz, tumira ng tres, no! What a rebound by Bringas. Pass to Johnson. Johnson, two moves. Juan, tinira, easy to! Well, set by Johnson. 26-30.
Saudi Boys, yung mga taga-Saudi na nanonood. William Coronel Sarano. Shout out.
Wala mga ako wala si Pineda na naman. Pinasa pa kay Sabata, baseline corner. Pass to Garcia. Garcia from deep.
Second quarter pa lang to. Sinasaniban na si
Umakoy
Garcia.
ng kamay ni Garcia. Yung high number 45, bumawi na naman si Beng Beng. No. Ito na the putback. Easy shoot.
26-41 in favor of Team ECP. 7 minutes 29 seconds sa ating second quarter.
De La Cruz. Ay, ang lagi niyan. Tinira na lang. Tinira. Nakakit ba? Swerte.
ECP, 28-43.
Diba? Chocolate versus kape. White chocolate. Pag mag-aanak yung dalawa niyan, Sibra. Pasir. Pineda nagmadali. Pineda ay amagana. Easy kill by Pineda. Yung mga by Higgins. Foul tayo. Yan. Nice one by referee. Chocho. Tungka. Foul for you number 8.
28-45. Lamang po ang Team ECP. 28-45. Second
Number 8,
quarter.
pangalawa ka na ha. Garcia. Aiden na lang. De La Cruz. Dalawa. De La Cruz. Johnson. Good move by Johnson. Para pass here. Ball 3 na ako kakabasok na ako. Oh! Amurap. Paninayin tayo pa. Amurap. Ayan yung repa na yan. Counted dito upang deliberate foul.
Basket count siya po.
Basket count.
UF. Number 12, sa red.
Okay.
Excessive elbows.
Yeah, for the red. Accessible elbows po tayo.
Stop.
Amo, wala ka mag-stop. Basket count yun. Nino yung meron? Number 12. Meka 3 points, Inako, number 3.
Edward, ha?
ECP kulay dark blue, green. ECP blue-green, Malabanyas red.
Coach, referee Jojo.
Shoutout kay Shimiska Simbulan de Leon.
Okay, meron nga mo tapos 2 shot, ya. Okay, 1 foul ya mo po ito. Sila na foul niya para sabi tayo. Papik, 1 foul. Papik, 1 foul. Okay. 2 shot, 5. Garcia. Hoy, Mentes. Sabi ko siya, rep. Yan. Nino? Zapata, out. Ano sa Sean, in.
Box tayo, box!
Pulo basketball. Ibalik na play, Pai. Salazar. Pass to, ano si Sean? Ano si Sean, nagpadali. Penetrate. Foul for you. Number 3. Talo ka na. Nako, number 3. Waiting for penalty. 2 shot by number 10. Talo. Wow, it's good by number 10. And 39 for the second quarter. Oy, what a rebound by Monterrey. Johnson. Pass to Bringes. Pass to Nako. Sending the way. He gets a pick. Why, what a goal. What a game and goal. Easy to. What a nice play by Nako. What a set play by Nako for Pabik. Pass to Mangune. Basta naman asunod. Ako ay Mr. Pabik. Pinasa na po kay Bringes. Bringes is stop. 3.
33-47.
Ayan po, nagising na.
30 or 36-47.
Pass to. Pinita na madali. Stop. Pass to Salazar. Alley-oop. No. What a rebound by Asasyon. Wala pa rin. What a rebound by number 45. Offensive rebound by number 45, 36-47. Isinayway, alley-oop, sky! Oh! Pinasa mo, ay, ako ng Bringas. Pass to Johnson. Johnson, good! Time out.
Mahabol lang, Barangay Malabanyas. Solid. Solid.
Malabanyas.
39-47 in favor of ECP. Back-to-back basket yung Malabanyas. 5 minutes and 6 seconds sa ating second quarter. Shoutout Edward Bundalian. Sensya na, hindi ako masyado makapag-shoutout. Sobrang intense ng laro.
What a nice play by Johnson.
Yeah, championship, Game 2 Finals. Championship po to, Game 2 Finals. Score natin 39-47. Lamang po yung ECP.
Iba in the play, pass to Mercado. Mercado. Bigyan na pass. Pass to, ano si Sean? Ano siya siya? Nawala bola konti. Nakawala. Pinasa kay Mr. Pineda. Pineda tulak siya. Easy two. Ay, Pineda. Pamatay sunog yun. Nahu. Yung lumabay Nahu. Pasir. Jackson. Ulit. Same shot. Same row. Patay mga bago sir. Pasir. Mercado. Easy layup by Mercado. 12-point lead. Jackson doon the ball. Johnson. Pass to Bringas. No. Pineda. Yung lumabay Pineda.
Hoy! Huwag palit!
Nakita niya yun sa harapan niya. Pero hindi tayo rep. Foul for you number 45. Ayun na po si Timaluan. Substitution. Timaluan.
Score
at
39-51 in
number
favor
one
of ECP. Yung kulay green po na shorts, yung ECP.
Number 45. Second foul ka na.
4
Second
minutes,
foul.
48 seconds sa ating second quarter.
Dalawang foul ka pala. Dalawa.
Alwa na rin nga.
Pineda.
Alwa na rin nga anak Kenny. Ano kaya nasing ka kanan rin eh.
Oy. Mintes. Last shot by Pineda. In and out. Mintes. 39-51. Yung goal by Johnson. Johnson. Pass to number 21, Timaluan. Pass to Johnson.
Shoutout sa pinsan ko, Richie Baristo.
Pass to Nahu. Nahu for three. No. Water by Mercado. Pass to Pineda. Nakasulit. Apa ni Michel? Nahu easy layup. Easy layup by Nahu. Pasimple lang yan. Walking in the park. Pass to Mauna for the other side. Easy basket. Water. Now play by the ECB. Timaluan. 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 Pass to Johnson. Johnson. Pass to Timaluan. Timaluan. Pass to number 3. Nago. Penetrate. Baseline move. Wada pass to Timaluan. Nawalang konti ang bola. Pinasa kay Mr. Johnson. Johnson tinira. No. Water rebound by Mr. Pineda. Pineda nagmadali. Pineda stop. Pass to Garcia. Garcia fakes. Garcia. Nawala ang bola. Ako ang bola Mr. Johnson naman. From the other side. Johnson. Pass to Pereras. Sulit. Ako man Mr. Pineda. Pinasa kay Mercado. Pass to Mahone. Ana Pinaway. No. Put back by Anderson Sean. Easy two by Anderson Sean.
41-55. 3 minutes 31 seconds, second quarter.
Pinalaban ng konti ang barangay. Pulang-pulo. Give me the ball. By Nago. Now setting the play. Pass to Bringas. Bringas from downtown. Oh, in and out. There's a ball by Mr. Garcia. Garcia. Penetrate. Garcia. Upstairs. Tinira. No. Water rebound by Garcia. Water rebound by Bringas. From the other side. Bringas. Pasir. Timaluan. Timaluan. Nagagawin. Nawalang bola. Igas foul. Basket foul. Foul for you. Anderson Sean. Timeout. Barangay Malabañas.
So, second quarter pa lang to. 2 minutes 57 seconds. 43-55 in favor of Team ECP Malabañas. Yung naka-green na short po. Red naman po yung Malabañas.
Bonus shot by number 0, Pereras. Hey, got it. One more, 55, 11-point lead. Pass to hey, nasa ulit ni Maluan. Nakuha lang ni Garcia. Garcia nagmadali. Garcia from the other side. Garcia. Abang ka na rin. Oops! Traveling tayo. Kitang-kita naman yun. What a goal by referee. Doon ka. In front of the play, pass you. Number 4, look at the ball. Look at the ball by number 4. Johnson. Sabi niya, mahaba pa yan. Pumuna sir. Johnson, pass to number. Mulak Ching, easy two. Yan ang simpleng maglaro yan. Si Naku, number 3. 46-55, 9-point lead. Habang ni Mr. Mahune. Pass to Pineda. To Garcia, to Mercado. Mercado, Mulak Ching. Oh, one rebound by Mr. Johnson. Johnson, fakes. Wala pass to Bringes for three. No, may namaas talaga si Bringes. Timaluan, fakes. Pass to Timaluan for three. No, what a rebound by Mr. Mercado. Mercado, pinasa Mr. Oh, what a pass. What a save. Sagli sir. Garcia, out. Salansang, in. 1 minute and 55 seconds for the second quarter.
Opo yung referee natin, MCG.
Following the play by Mercado. Naka-play, nasulit. Jump ball. It's a Malabanyas ball. What a defensive stop by the Barangay Malabanyas. Substitution rep. Nino. Mercado. Okay. Given the ball by Johnson. Purchase 55. Johnson. Given the ball by Johnson. Pass to Bringes. Pass to. Oy, what a seal! But he gets fouled. Foul tayo, sir. Tas kamay tayo. Number 19. Second foul for you. Number 19. Two shot by Pereras.
So mamaya pagkatapos ng first half, tapusin ko muna yung live tapos balik tayo sa second half, sa third quarter.
Adwa. And this. Pereira's shot is good. 47-55 in favor of the Barangay Pulang-Pulo. Salansang. Pinasa ni Mr. Pineda ay Peña. Pinasa ni Mr. Anunciacion. Fake. Tinira. Institute. What a fake by Anunciacion. Johnson. Setting the play. He gets a fake. Pass to Bringas for Johnson. Finds. Yan na po. Ayan na kaya. Umuusok na si Bringas. 50-57. 7-point lead. Pinasa ni Mr. Pineda. Oy! Nawala ang bola. Red ball. Kabila sir, ongoing lang. Wala akong maglalapay ka dyan. There's a ball 5, Johnson.
Basket count.
Foul for you, number. Sir, para tama lilito. Ninong foul? Ma'am. Bayo kayo mag-sub. Ninong foul, sir? Number 4 yung foul. Substitution. 19. Basket count. In foul ni number 4. Okay. First foul. 52-57. 5 lang ang lamang. Naunti-unti. Bali the play. 53-57 sa 4-point lead. Nothing safe. Pasir. De La Cruz. Tinira. Easy two. Pasir. Number 3. Semaluan. Pass to Johnson. Johnson setting the play. 53-59, 6-point lead. Pass to Nagu, fakes. Nagu, penetrate. One pass to Pereras. Pereras, tinira. Offensive foul. One rebound to Bringas. Bringas, Pinasa. Pereras, tinira. Eagles foul. Foul tayo, sir. Foul for you, number 8. Talo ka na. Tatlo. Penalty. Substitution, rep. De La Cruz out. Number 8. Yung number 6 in. 53-59. 6-point lead by the Barangay Pulumpulo. Two shot by Pereras. Uy. Mahina. 6-point lead. Pereira shot. No. Lusan tayo, sir. Sayang yung mga free throw na ganyan. Sa dulo, magkakatalo yung mga free throw. Ball the way. Pass to, ano sa Sean? Pass to. Yung mo, favorite shot. No. What rebound by Peña. Uy, nakawala si Peña. Nakalimutan. Yung mo the ball by number 1, Bringas. Pinasay Johnson. 1 second difference, shot clock for the game clock. Johnson with the ball. Johnson. One bounce pass. Ako na yun sa Sean. Ano sa Sean? Layup, tinira, is good! What a stop by ano sa Sean. 10-point lead by the Barangay Pulumpulo. Kanina, 5 na lang yan. Basilio, mag-enjoy ka. Sabi ko ako, manyaman laban na yan. Art, tawag ka dito. Ref, magmirenda kayo kung anong galing umisa.
Tapusin ko muna itong live nito, tapos mamaya, balik tayo sa third quarter. Balik tayo sa second half, okay?
Salansang. You find the way. Pasu. Ano sa Sean? Pasu. Garcia from deep. No. But rebound by secure. Rebound by Johnson. Nagmadali. Johnson. Penetrate. Johnson, run a pass. Last touch. Same ball. What a set by Johnson. Di lang nakuha. Pass to, involving the play by number 3. Pinasa kay Maldari number 14. Pass to, number 3, nakawala. Penetrate, fakes, tinira. Layup is good! Nakahanap ng butas. What a play by number 3. Layup, tinira, basket count. May kasama ng foul. Foul for you, number 3. Apat ka na, sir. 4 foul. Substitution, rep. Number 3. Sayang yung ginawa mo. Salansang, bonus shot. Bonus lang po yan. Tinira, Garrett by Salansang. Egypt 0. Pineda. Yung double by Johnson. Pass you. Number 45, bang, 3! Talagang nakawala na na. Ay, forward by side. Garcia, nang madali. Easy. Huwag kayong kukurap sa mga depensa. Pass you. Johnson. For 3 bars. No, what do we found by Yumo. Up, stop. Jump ball. Red ball. Red ball tayo. Nice drop. In front of the play. Pass to number 45. Rebounding by number 45. Pass to Ringas. Ringas. Fade away shot. No. Minamala si Ringas. Habang ni Garcia. Garcia. Nagmadali. Garcia. Penetrate. Layup. No. What has done by Mr. Malinari. Number 14. Habang ni Ringas. Nagmadali from the other side. Ringas. Push the basket. Ringas. What a time. Barakel for 3. No. What has by Pineda. Pineda naman nagmadali. Pinasay sa lansang. Sa lansang. Tinira. Easy throw by sa lansang. Habang ni Mr. Johnson from the other side. What a pass to Bringas. Bringas tap up and away. Basket down. May kasama ng foul. Foul for you. Number 0. Second foul for you. Number 0. Dalawa ka na. No. Ano sa Sean? Tinira. Against foul.
Score natin 61-70 in favor of ECP. 8 minutes third quarter. Ito.
What a shot by Anderson Sean. Anderson Sean. What a layup. Found by Johnson. Third quarter pa lang po tayo. Third quarter. Johnson. Pass to Pereras. Uy, nasulot ng Iyumol. Pass to Garcia. Garcia, pass to Pineda. Pineda, stop. What a pass. 2. Nasunod. Garcia, napaganda pa. No. What a rebound by Pereras. Pass to Bringas. Secure rebound by Bringas. Bringas, dribble the ball. Pinasungan. What a beautiful move by Bringas. Number 1. 63-71. 8-point lead. Sanansang, nagmadali. Sanansang. Oops. Kita-kita. Offensive foul for you. Number 0. Tatlo ka na. 3 foul for 0. Substitution up. 0 out. Number 3 in. Sapanta. Johnson. Pass to Bringas. Ayun na po. Bringas stop. Bola. Apa ni Mr. Garcia. Pass to Pineda. Easy 2. Oh, number shoot. Apa Mr. Number 14. Nagpadali. 14. Denied. He gets foul. What a foul by number 6. What a drive by number 14. He gets a foul. Dalawa. Shooting for 2. 5. Blocking foul. Impaling the play by number 45, Bringas. Oy, favorite shot ni Bringas yan! Got it! Yan na, umiinit na si Black Mamba. 65-71. Sapanta from the other side. Sapanta tinira. Got it. Easy chill. Nakawala na naman. No defense at all. Johnson. There is a ball by Johnson. Johnson. Number 9. Johnson penetrate. He gets foul. Foul tayo, sir. Lumipad na si Johnson. Foul for you. Number 6. Second personal foul for you. Number 6. Warning for penalty. Johnson shooting for 2. Sayang yung mga free throw na yan. Joshua shot. It's good.
For the red, 6 for the green. Double foul.
1 for the red and 6 for the green. Double foul po tayo. Pringles and number 6. Consider foul po yun. Double foul. Number 1 and number 6. Penalty sa kabila. Yan. Hindi. Blue yung bola yan.
Third quarter to, 66-73 in favor of ECP.
Yung penalty yung blue.
6 minutes 46 seconds.
Okay. May correction naman yan sa mga referee. Siyempre. Talo ka na, number 6, tatlo. Pringles, 2. Double foul. Pineda, up and away! No! What a rebound! Oh, oops. Kamay na lang. Foul na tayo. Foul for you. Pushing foul for you, number 10. Penalty. Corner natin, double foul. May penalty lang. Shooting for 2 by Malyari. 66-73. Ay, nako. Yung mga crucial na yan, yung kailangan. Pumuna, sir. Zero pumuna. Dalawa daw. Malyari. Again. Tinira. Gamit. Substitution. Pineta. Out muna. Pahinga daw. 67-73. 6-point lead. 6 lang po yan. Anybody's ball game. Substitution. Oh, wag na. Ball in the play. Pass to Torres. There's the ball. Pass to Sean. Same ball. Same ball na tayo. Natap. Running the play by Zapanta. Pass on sa Sean. Ano sa Sean? One and defense move. Nasunod na naman. Ani Garcia. Pass to Zapanta. Zapanta, easy layup mo. Ginagawa pa. Ay, ako. Abo ni Mr. Bringes. Pass to Johnson. Give it the ball. Johnson. Sabi niya, relax lang. Johnson will serve move. Uy! Dokta eh, gets back. Malyari, tinira. But he gets foul. Foul tayo, sir. Foul for you, number 10. Third personal foul for you, number 10. Substitution. Number 10 out. Manghuni in. This is a ball game. Sabi ko sa inyo, huwag kayong kukurap dito. Talaga mas narap ang laban ng dalawang team na to. Malyari, shooting for 2. Ay, nako naman. Kung na-shoot nyo yan, tabla na. Dalawa ba? O, dalawa pa daw. Swerte. Kasi nag-cross yung isa. Take your time down. Ay, nako, ulit na naman. Sumakit ang ulo ni coach sa inyo, ha? Last shot by Maljari. Tinira. Garit. Yun, napasok din. Pass to Torres. 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 Pass to.
68-73 in favor of ECP, 5. 5 minutes 47 seconds, third quarter. 60.
Sabi mo, Garcia, above and away. It's good. Sabi niya, relax lang, kaya niya yan. 16-75. Bringas on the other side. Nagmadali si Bringas na yun ako. Bringas above and away. Nablang ka. Ang ni Mangune. Mangune. Nagmamadali. Mangune, easy layup. No. Put back, Bringas. Walang rebound. Oops. Eagles foul. Foul for you. Foul ang tawag. Foul. Nice one by referee. Logo, doon ka. Foul number 11. Holding sa'yo, holding. Herrera's out. Joshua Galang. Manako. Gawakan. Shooting for two by Malyari. Ay, sa wakas. First foul pa lang pala si Garcia. Pinasa kay Mr. Torres. Torres. Pinasa. Pastor. Nasa ulit yung Raquel. Nasa ulit naman yung Jackson. Jackson. What a set play. Further! Battery ba may bayari? Pinabati niya ang kabila. Foul. Foul tayo, foul. Foul number 11. Second foul for you, Garcia. Dalawa. Two shot by Malyari.
ECP Pulong Bulo. 69-75. Lamang yung ECP Pulong Bulo. 5 minutes third quarter. Shout out sa Pandan Boys. Lalo na kay Idol Team Dongka.
Two shot by Malyari. Uy! Ano na? Last shot by Malyari. Nakuha nila sa Petro. Awan ni Mr. Torres. Torres, imbali the play. Pass to Torres. Oh! Rosalud! Tinira! Oh! Outside by Miyagi. Double the ball by Mr. Torres. Double the ball. Pinasing. Johnson. Higasabik. One play to. One shot. One rebound by Yumo. Pinasa kay Mr. Garcia. Nawala ang bola. One to save. It's a red ball. What a game between the two teams. Something to set up. Malyari, number 14. Number 4, give her the ball. Setting the play. He gets a pick. Pass here. Bringas run down. Oh! What a rebound by Mr. He gets foul. Sa foul for you, number 45. 3 foul. Tatlong foul. Sa 21-7 for the Barangay Malabañas. Ibalik the play, pass to Torres. Pinasa kay Mr. Garcia. Garcia from deep. No! What's the rebound? Jump ball. Same ball. Jump ball tayo. Tapos blue ball. Yan, araw mo na. Bad call by referee. Arman, lost touch.
71-70.
Inbound
7.
play.
6-point lead, ECP. 4 minutes, 16 seconds. Third quarter.
By Zapata.
Shoutout kay Boss No Side, kuyan ko. Barangay San Jose.
Yumo.
Kay Boss Coach John John.
Traveling violation. What a call by the referee. 71-77.
Shoutout kay Coach John. Hashtag kawang gawa mo po.
Lead.
Barangay San Nicolas.
Man in the way. Pass to Bringas. Bringas. Pinasay Johnson. 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 Fix. Bringas. Penetrate. Bringas. What a pick. What a pass to Johnson. Bringas fix. Penetrate. What a pass to. Easy layup by. What a shot by.
Odirente.
Odirente.
Favorite. Crowd favorite.
Pinasa po kayo gusto mahuli. 73-77, this is a 4-point lead. Apat lang po yan. Pass to Sabanta. Pass to Torres. Pass to Garcia. Garcia, against the pick. Garcia, nagmadali. Garcia, step back move. Garcia, full three, no! 4-3 ba? Ay, nako. Mamune, fakes. Mamune, penetrate. Tinira. No! 1-3 ba by 45. Ako ni Johnson. Johnson. Pass to. Para kay Edwin! No! Pass to Torres! Torres na madali! Torres! Torres! Easy layup! No! Bakari babay Garcia! No! Number 45! Pass to Johnson! Johnson! Penetrate! Johnson! Pass to Pringles Langdon! No! On the end!
75-77.
Dalawa na lang po lamang! Pass to!
Biglang umingay dito, mga idol.
Pero na by Mr. Torres. Pass to Sabata. Pass to Garcia. Garcia for deep. No. What the rebound by number? 12-3. Maligari. Never the ball by Johnson. Johnson. Penetrate. Johnson. Pass to Bringas. Beverly shot. No. What the rebound by Mamune? Oops. Jump ball. It's a red ball.
75-77.
Number 5 out.
Third quarter, 2 minutes, 24 seconds.
75-77. Talaga laban yan. Sabi ko na sa inyo.
Di ako makapag-shoutout, sobrang ingay dito. Sobrang ingay.
Ball.
Shoutout lang. Mamaya rin shoutout pagkatapos sa laro.
Running the play by number 1. Pinasa kay Mr. Johnson. Johnson, paglamang kaya! No! Naku! Panlamang na sana yun. Asir, Mamune, Mamune, penalty, is the but he gets foul. Penalty tayo. Penalty tayo. Foul for you, number 20. First pa lang, number 20. Substitution. 6, Yumol out. 2 shot by Manghune. Mandalaban. Got it. Sarap ang laban na to. No one knows. Everybody's walking. Substitution up. Number 1 out. 4-point lead. Running the play by Johnson. There's the ball by Johnson. Johnson, pass you. 45, big, Roy. Wala na lang, rebound. Roy, may pala tayo, sir. May pala tayo. Foul for you, number 3, sa Panta. Penalty tayo. Two shot by De La Cruz. Ay, nako. Yung mga free throw na yan, sabi ko sa inyo. Ay, nako. Lamang na kay Sana. Hoy, got it. Pass to Garcia. There's the ball by Garcia. He gets a big. What's a remove? Garcia, penetrate. Kulang no. What rebound by Pavic. Nasrut, tinira, no. What rebound by Johnson. Johnson, minatali. Johnson, what a bounce pass. Jumbo na naman yan, jumbo na yan. Pag jumbo na, iwalay na. Yan. Blue ball. Second person, number 11.
Shoutout sa mga kabalan natin sa Doha, Qatar. Danny David Padilla, mga sa Doha, Qatar. Mga nanonood din. Paula Serrano, shoutout.
Number 3, pounding the play. Third quarter pa lang po tayo. May isa pa quarter mamaya. Pass to Pineda. Pass to Mercado. Mercado. Give it the ball. Mercado. Nagmadali. Para pass to Mamuni. Give it the ball by Barakayaw. Pass to remove. Double dribble. What a call by Mr. Jojo Galang. Referee Jojo Galang. Involving the play by number 3. Pass to De La Cruz. To Mercado. Mercado. Fades. Pass to De La Cruz. Pass to Pineda. Pineda. Wala pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Nawala ang bola.
76-79 in favor of ECP. Pulong-bulo yung kulay green na shorts. 1 minute sa ating third quarter. Yun, shoutout sa mga nanonood dyan sa iba't ibang lugar. Si
76-79, 3-point lead. Tatlo lang po lamang.
NC Doha,
Third
New York City. Sa Doha, Qatar. Sa Dubai, yan, yung mga nagpapa-shoutout.
Way to Johnson. There's ball by Johnson. Protect by Pavic. Pass you. Number 45. He gets fouled. Foul for you, number 3. Penalty.
Third quarter.
Two shot.
50 seconds. 76-79 in favor of ECP.
Two foul. Lucky bounce by the shooter.
Shoutout sa mga nanonood sa Saudi. Khobar, Saudi.
Uy, nako.
Boss Enrico Makaspak.
20, Johnson breaks. Johnson, give the ball. Spin move. Penetrate. Johnson. Pass to number 45. 45, bang, bang. Oh! What rebound by number 25. 2-point lead. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz, miss. He gets foul. Talagang kumuha lang ng foul. Foul for you, number 12.
Saudi na. Shoutout sa mga katrabaho dyan. Nanonood ngayon. Saudi Arabia.
Two shot by De La Cruz.
Pre, matik yan. Si Boss Raymond Dizon ng Power Ups.
Got it.
Shoutout. Kumpare.
Si 3-point lead. Hindi pa nakakalamang ang
Don Pangilinan. Shoutout.
Nothing safe. Two out of two by De La Cruz.
77-81. 4-point lead. ECP.
Warning for second motion, ha? Number 25.
Warning.
Number 45. Second motion, ha? May panyo ko na. Warning for second motion.
Warning for second motion. Warning, warning lang mo, warning. Oh, warning lang mo rito, warning. Paul na ref. Winarning nga na lang, referee. Winarning nga na lang. Just play the game. Ganda ng laro. Ibaling the play. Sa 4-point lead. Pass to Jackson. Given the ball by Jackson. Wala pass to Barael. Barael for three. Sandali lang, sandali lang, sandali lang. Ano na yung referee yan? Sandali lang, nakita naman. Ano ko natin rep? Sandali lang. O, pushing pa number 35. Hindi yung shooter, okay. Pushing foul lang yun. Foul number 25. Pero penalty tayo. 2 shot kay... Yung tinulak niya.
Third quarter, 23 seconds, 77-81. Lamang pa rin po yung ECP, yung naka-green na shorts.
What a shot by Maligari.
Kaya ni boss, Invitational Basketball League Finals king Barangay Kutod.
Last shot by Maligari. Got it. Shot of two.
Shoutout sa Balibutan.
De la Cruz. Pass to Mahone. Pass to Pineda. Pass to Mercado. Foul tayo, foul. Tayo na.
Shoutout John Hinoga from Jeddah, Saudi, or KSA.
Foul for you, number 12.
Shoutout Savannah Boys.
Penalty na.
So take advantage na rin po ako. Sa Monday meron kaming charity event sa mga kabataan sa Kawad Kalinga. So any donation po, kung may i-donate kayo, PM lang kay Sir Joby Abaristo or sa page. Para sa mga kabataan po, kung may i-donate kayo, PM lang kayo. Mag-organize tayo sa basketball clinic.
Mercado, number 25.
Score natin 79-81, 6 seconds, third quarter. Lamang ng dalawa ang team ECP Pulumbulo.
Sila na naglimitis ngayon. What may babay Pineda. Pineda pula si Gary. Pamatay suno si Jokwa. And that's it.
That's the end of our third quarter. $79-83. Sobrang intense ng game. So mag-take advantage na po ako sa mga nanonood ngayon. Kung gusto niyo pong tumulong sa isang charity event namin sa Monday, PM lang kayo, Jovi Avaristo, kaya dun sa page na to, Mr. Kabalan Hoops, para matulungan natin mga kabataan sa iba't ibang barangay. Kahit medyas, sapatos, or kahit ano na pwede natin itulong sa mga kabataan sa Gawad Kalinga. Score natin 79-83. End of third quarter. Sa fourth quarter na tayo.
4-point lead. Apat lang po yan. Mahaba-haba po tayo. Johnson setting the play. Johnson penetrate. Pass to De La Cruz. Johnson penetrate. Tinira. Tinira by Johnson, number 4. Pinasakay sa lasang. From the other side. Sa lasang nagmadali. He gets foul. Foul for you, number 21, Team Aluan.
Pasensya na po, hindi po ako masyado makapag-shoutout kasi nakapokus tayo sa game eh. Hindi muna sa mga greetings. Fourth quarter na kasi to mga boss. Pasensya na, hindi po ako makapag-shoutout kasi maraming nagpapa-shoutout.
Sa ilalim daw.
Focus na muna sa game, idol.
81-83, 2-point lead. Nothing safe sa basketball. Body the play, pass to. Double foul na naman tayo, sir. 21 sa kabila, 0 sa kabila. Apat ka na sa lansang, apat. Number 21, dalawa. Running the play, pass to De La Cruz. Pass to Garcia from the 3. Tama kay sunog na naman yon. Pass to Johnson. Harassing by Pineda. Johnson, alabay away. Tinira into. Yan na si Johnson. Kumayat na. Pass to De La Cruz. Para mawas na ang sulot. Awali sa lasang. Nasunod Timaluan. Timaluan po ang daloy. Pinasa Mr. Pineda nagmadali. Pineda po yung shot. Pineda. Alabay away. What a shot by Pineda. Alabay away mo Sir Johnson. Johnson from the other side. Pinasuhan. Ang galing back-to-back passes with both point guard. 85-88. Sa lasang from the other side. Pass to De La Cruz. Pass to Pineda. Pineda fakes. Pineda. Apa pinili para magtuloy sa shot. Tinira. It's a 5. Ano sa shot? Apa ni Mr. Johnson. 5-point lead. Nipotable by Johnson. Crossover move. Para pass. Pass to Pineda. Para pass to. Nakasunod. Apa Mr. Number 4. Fakes. Pull up got it! By De La Cruz.
Lamang po ang ECP.
87-90, 3-point lead. Pinasa kay Mr. De La Cruz, Pigs, Binaba. Foul na, sa ilalim pa lang. Foul for you, number
87.
Look. Substitution, rep. Number 20 out. Third foul, 13 foul. 13 foul. Dito? Choppy. Garcia, baseline perimeter. Is good. Mamatay sunog. Johnson. Amo ni Johnson. Number 4. Pass to Nagu. 4-3. No. What the rebound by Malyari. Pin back. It's good. What a put back by Malyari. Pass to Pineda. She 3-point lead. Salazar. Deliver the ball. What's the remove? De La Cruz. Fix. Salazar. Fix. 4-3. Got the rebound. Oops. Last touch by the red. Substitution.
Annabeth. May 9.
Sige.
Invalid the play by Pineda.
Tapos
Pass to
na.
Garcia. Garcia for the... No! What rebound by Pineda. Pineda pull up Jay. Got it! What a shot by Pineda. 2 points lang yun. 2 points. Never the ball by Johnson. 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 Penetrate. Tinira. No! Ansasyon. Rebound. Pass to Pineda. Pineda from the other side. Relax lang, sabi niya. Nakasunod naman ni Johnson. Johnson. Another na easy goal. Pass to Salasang. Ay, 294. Salasang from the other side. Salasang. Nabranga. Imayari. Johnson. Johnson. What a pass. Naku. Oh! Nashoot ni ano? Ansasyon. What a shot by Ansasyon. Sa ibang basket. 93-94, isa lang po lamang. What a nice play between the both two teams. Points kay ano yun, kay Malyari. High the play, pulong-pulo foul.
Sir, warning for technical coach for continuous complaining.
Warning for technical coach for continuous complaining. Coach of the Pulong-Pulo. Okay, 6 minutes 23 seconds for the final quarter. Laban to. Body to play. Pass to Pineda. 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 Over move. Pinasa Armster. Garcia. Garcia. Pass to Ansasyon. Fix. Pineda. Foul for you. Number 14. Warning for penalty. Malabanyas. Third personal foul for you. Number 14. Shooting for 2. Ansasyon. Got it. Last shot by Ansasyon. 2 out of 2. 93-96. Bombing by Johnson. Johnson setting the play. Johnson. He gets a big. Johnson. Pass to. Previous shot. Oh, in and out. Ako ni Mamune. Pinasa kay Garcia. Garcia. Give the ball. Garcia. Garcia. Nagos ng konti. Pinasa kay Mamune. Pass to. Ansasyon. Nawala ang bola. Pass to Johnson. From the other side. Relax lang, sabi ni Johnson. Mahaba pa yan. Johnson. Pass to Pereras. Pereras. Power move. Tinira. Easy do. Oh, minamarka. Put back, Malyari. Basket foul. May kasama foul. By number 14.
Basket count. 95-96.
Yung sarap ng laban.
Pag nasuto, tabla. Pag nasuto, tabla.
What? Warning for graduation, number 10. Apat ka na. Tinira, wala, hindi ba nakuha talaga lamang? Hindi ba naka-all? Ako Mr. Mel Garcia. Oops, he gets foul. Penalty. Warning ka na rin, number 14. Number 10, warning ka na rin. Okay. Penalty. What a whole game between the two teams. Garcia shooting for 2. Got it. Nako, sarap ng laban talaga. Nobody knows. A shot by Garcia. Two out of 2. Say 3-point lead. Mr. Johnson. Sabi niya, relax lang. Johnson. Pass to Pereras. Pass to Johnson. Johnson for 3. Deadlock na po tayo. Oh, 98. Ang sarap ng laban. Ni Salasang. Salasang, nang madali. Salasang, from the other side. Perimeter roll. Ang limang muna, put back. Mansasyon. Pereras. Rebound by number 14. What a rebound by number 14. Ako ni Johnson nang madali. Johnson, from the other side. Pinila ka limang muna. What a block by Mangune. Pinasa kay Mr. Garcia. Garcia. Ang mabili. Pinaka. At he gets foul. Foul tayo. Sarap ng laban. Foul for you, number 1. Tatlo ka pa lang, number 1. Tatlo. Penalty lang. Why? Sarap ng laban. This is it. Pansit.
All 98, 4 minutes 41 seconds, fourth quarter. All 98.
Timeout. Support the barangay, Pulang-Bulo. Shooting for 2 by Garcia. Got it. Two out of 2. Timeout. Barangay Malabayas. What a game! 4 minutes and 41 seconds for the final quarter. Shout out kay Dan Mamaratno in the house. Kalagad na kang agad. Score 198 in favor of the Barangay Pulang-Bulo. Both team, 2 timeouts left. 2 timeouts left. Both team. Sarap ng laban. Rangers inbounding the play. Pass to Johnson. Dribble by Johnson. Setting the play. Pass to Pereras. Pereras. Pass to inbounding Malyari. Malyari pinasukan. Nilangan ni Mangune. Mga block. Bayan sa Sean. Mangune. Mangune. Asasyan, it gets foul. Foul. Penalty tayo, sir. Penalty. Foul for you, number 45. Apat ka na rin, sir. Apat ka na rin. 2 shot by Anunciacion.
Boss, saan na yan?
Wala na yung signal.
Boss, saan na?
sila po Malbe ha.
Oops, in and out. Habol ni Mr. Johnson. 98-101, 3-point lead. Habol ni Johnson. Pass to number 45. 45 na gulang tinitira. Tumira Wally. Patribang by Pineda. Pineda. Setting the play. Pineda. Pass to Garcia. Garcia. Dribble the ball by Garcia. Get the pick. Garcia. Nakawala. Pull up J by Garcia. No. What a rebound by number. He gets foul. Foul for you. Pineda. Number 4. Substitution rep. Number 1 out.
Yan lang ako ta signal.
Substitution. Yun ang sub na. Orderente ni sub ng orderente. Malyari. Number 14. Okay. Number 1 out.
Paano na masigan nyo?
Yan yun, bro, boss mo.
5 p.m. 3 g.m.
Buwan tayo. Sobrang kabayang gila.
Pineda. Pineda is a goal. Pamatay sunod. Ahora ni Mr. Jackson. From the other side. Development by Johnson. Johnson, dribble the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Pull 3 by Johnson. No. What a rebound by Garcia. Garcia ng battery. Garcia. Garcia pass to Pineda. Relax na, sabi na. Last 2 minutes. Nakubila na si Sinel. Got it. 1 point lead. It's a 103-102. Ball game to. Pinasa kay Mahuli. Pass to Pineda. Abang bola ni Pineda. Pineda nagmadali. Pinasa kayo na sa Sean. Ano sa Sean? Fix. Ano sa Sean? Penetrate. Pineda. Wiggins back. Ako ni Casa Pagka Aristal. Ako ni Ako. Bago ang bagay na. Nabang na. Time out. Barangay. Bengulo. Wala buong game. Isa lang po lamang. Sabi ko na.
104-103. Umuulan dito, humihina yung signal. May load pa tayo sa wala signal. Nawawala ng signal. 104-103 in favor of Malabañas.
Okay, back to the ball game. 104-103.
104-103. 1 minute 33 seconds.
24.
Lamang na yung Malabañas, isa.
104-103. Naglamang na ang isa for the first time. Naglamang na ang Barangay Malabañas. Ibalik na play. Passive. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. De La Cruz, pinasuhan. Pinira. Dari! What a shot by De La Cruz. Buwalog. 22 seconds. They're the ball by Johnson. 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 Gets a big. Johnson. Pass to Bringas. Nakuha ng konti ng bola. Pinasa ka Mr. Bringas. Bringas. Tinira. Oy, on the shot. No. Wata ni Baba Garcia. Hila mo si Garcia. Nagpatali. Garcia. Garcia. Bola. Bola. Last touch by sa sapatos. This is a whole game. 1 minute and 1 second.
104-105.
Hasta la por el laban. Kapit. Kapit tayo, kapit. Pineda. Yung double by Pineda. Pineda, nakawala. Jackson. Ama Pinoy.
Lamang na po ang Malabañas.
Pineda, pinasa ano si ang sesyon. Pasto sa lasang. Sa lasang ang fix. Pasto Pasto Anunciacion. Anunciacion. Penetrate. Tinira. Goal! What a game between both teams. Johnson. Never the ball by Johnson. 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 40 seconds time remaining. 39 seconds. Johnson na wala. Pila sa kanya ako. Please. Tako. Penetrate. Tako. Para basta pila. Just 30 seconds time remaining. Pineda. Pastor Garcia. Pastor De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Pastor Anunciacion. Nawala. Pila sa Johnson. 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 Para baso. Let's go. Foul. Biggest foul.
Wala naman na yung Malabañas sa 80 seconds. 108-107 in favor of Malabañas. 18 seconds, last and final seconds.
What a ball game between two teams. Running for penalty. Running for penalty pa lang yan, sir. Wala pa. Wala pa tayo sa penalty. Running for penalty pa lang yun. Running for penalty. Wala sa tayo, sir. Passer, passer. Back to the ball game. Running for penalty lang yun. Time out. Barangay, Malabañas.
108-107 in favor of Team Malabañas. Ball possession natin, Malabañas ang bola, 18 seconds.
Whole team, one timeout left. Sarap ng laban.
Lamang ang Malabañas, tapos ball possession pa nila.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Eighteen seconds.
Ibaling the
Last
play,
18 seconds.
Pinasa. Foul. Foul na, foul na, foul na. Foul, foul na, foul. Two shot by Johnson.
16 seconds.
Pineda, apat ka na, apat.
16 seconds.
Sarap ng laban. 108-107. Johnson.
109-107.
Johnson. Last shot by Johnson. Wait.
Oh! What a rebound! What a rebound!
Waiting for graduation.
Oh, sensya na, nawawalan ako ng signal. Mahina kasi yung signal dito. 109-107, dalawa na. Tapos free throw pa, itong sinako.
Sa laban. Two shot by Nahu, number 3. 109-107.
Napatayo na po ako sa ganda ng laban.
Tinira. Issue.
Pasok! 110! Or rather, 110-107. Whew!
Tinira.
Oh! Pasok!
Basket by
111-107, lamang ng apat.
107.
Lamang ng apat. What a game! What a game! 111, 107.
14 seconds pa yan.
Lamang po ang Malabanyas. 4. Lamang ng 4 ng Malabanyas. Ganda ng game. Intense. Eh, nawawala na ako ng buwas kasi dito.
Okay, nasunod mo.
Last 14 seconds. Mahina pa yung signal. Pahinsa na kayo. Nawawala na signal. Pero lamang na ng 4 ang Team Malabanyas. 14 seconds.
Ibali the play.
14 seconds.
Solusyon. Asa Garcia. Garcia nagmadali. Garcia for 3.
Pumasok! Pumasok! 9 seconds! Pumasok ang tira ni Garcia!
Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi pa tapos yan. 1-point lead. Sarap na naman. Wala ka na timeout. Both team, wala na timeout. Both team, wala na timeout.
111, 110. Isa lang ang lamang ng Malabanyas. Sesya na po. Nawawala na ako ng signal dito kasi sobrang ano eh. Ganda ng laro.
1-point lead. This is 1-point lead. Bali the play. This is the game. Bali the play. Pinasa. Pindas.
Sayang!
1-10.
8 seconds!
5 fouls.
Free throw si Brinques. Free throw.
Both team, wala nang timeout. Ringas, shooting for 3.
What a game! Yun ay pass ni Brinques.
Time remaining. Last shot by Ringas. Ringas shot. Got it. Pineda, ang bola. Pineda. Pineda sa kayo. Garcia. Garcia. And that's it. Only foul for number 8.
Woo, what a game!
Madali na sir, di ba tapos na?
Hey!
May